Good morning, TC Nation. Mark Hawaiian Trader here. All right, just follow up to my blog post a couple of days ago. Let's take a look at what's happening here. All right, so the other day we wanted this to continue downwards yesterday, and it rallied back as you can see during the day, but it couldn't break above this line. This is my 15-minute chart. If you need my chart, if you'd like copies of these charts, please subscribe. At the end of this video, there'll be a subscribe button down below. Hit subscribe, send me a message, thumbs up the video, and I'll send you my entire charts. All right. So as you can see, towards the end of I'll zoom in real quick. I'll zoom in here. Here we go. So as you can see, yesterday morning, and then it kind of rallied up. Okay. But then overnight, it shot up a little bit here. Okay. And we opened here. So roughly the same. Now it's going lower, right? So here's what I'm looking for. One, I like that overnight it couldn't get above the high. So that was a good sign if you want, volatility to increase. For that to happen, you need uncertainty and you need the market to go down. Hopefully that's happening. Why? So we can trade more and collect more premium for our trades and possibly even go further out. I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. All right, so these are just 15-minute bars, so each one of these ticks are 15 minutes. So I'm hoping it'll go below 233.34. If you can go down, it'll go up or down. I don't care if it goes up or down. I just want it to go above this line, and I kind of wanted to stair step its way down, kind of like this. Okay, but I want it to continue going. So if you go further out, okay, there's that long down day. We covered flat down. That's good. We need another down move like that, and hopefully that happens today or this week. The reason why is here's your SPY 6-month daily chart, and here's my IV rank chart down here. So we want this. This is good. We want it to stay above 35 though. If this can stay above 35, it'll go higher, and we want this back and forth because you can make good money that way. I am a little nervous. I'm expecting a big move because, like I said, remember how if you look at your Bollinger Bands and it gets squeezed tight like this, usually it has to expand. I'm just hoping it expands to the downside, not the upside. Here's my OBV. That's red. This is red, and this is turned over. If you can zoom in here, the red is below the yellow. That's good. All bearish signals. Now let's look at IWM real quick. IWM, shoot, still green. We want that red. We want this thing to turn over, but IV rank is still creeping up in IWM. So take a look at that opportunity. Let's look at that 15-minute chart right here. Here we go. Yep. See? Here's yesterday, right? Strong. Shot up here. Didn't quite beat the high over here. And overnight went down low. So of course we are below overnight's low, this shaded area here. And look, I'm going to zoom in right here. We want this, and right now here's the low point. It did it rinse, but it didn't close there. We want it to go below right around here. We need it to go below, what is this, 135.03. It's at 135.30. If we can close, if we can get below that, we should be good. All right, and let's look at the the daily chart. Yeah, because then it'll turn over and go blue. Let's look at NASDAQ real quick. Okay, went red on the daily chart a couple days ago. Okay, let's zoom back out. Yeah, good. Look, see, we're getting good volatility. This is good. Let's look at the 15-minute chart real quick. Oops. Yeah, see, same thing. We want to stay below here. We want this to turn over here, go down like that. Let's look at the diamonds. Dow Jones, it's only 30. It should be more volatile, but yep. We want to see this downtrend continue. Here's a daily chart. IV rank 36. You should also see IV rank over here. If this is green, that means it's above 50. It's good. If it's really low, this will be highlighted in red. Okay, so that looks good. Well, let's go back to SPY. Okay, so yeah. So if you're just starting out, what you want to do is You want to start with a basic, simple vertical. Put right here. Okay, start out with this for now. Okay, because here's what a golden gecko looks like, but I want you to do half a golden gecko. So here's what a golden gecko looks like. Okay, you're going to sell 1 standard deviation and you're going to buy 2 standard deviation. Okay, so you're going to sell the 1 standard deviation and you're going to, you're going to sell the 1 standard deviation out of the money put, which is this blue line right here. And you're also going to sell the 1 standard deviation out of the money call, which is this blue line right here. So you want the stock price to stay in between these two. Okay, now to define your risk, or to define your risk and to limit your max loss, you're gonna want to buy the wings. Okay, hold on, let me make sure. So you go to strategies, iron condor, normal iron condor. You want to make sure this is 45. That should say 1 standard deviation, and go. Then you want to click over here. See, it toggles back and forth. You want to make sure this is as close to 84 as you can, and this is as close to 2% as you can. That's what you want. Okay. So this is a normal golden gecko. What I want, if you're brand new, you might want to start off just doing half, meaning just do this side. Okay. So you can delete this, delete that. That's one way to do it. Or go to strategies, go to vertical, do a short per vertical, make sure the seam is the same, and then here's what it'll look like. Close to 84 and 2. The reason why is this bet is you're just betting the S&P 500 will go up. Okay, you don't care how high it goes, as long as it goes up, stays the same, or just goes down a little bit. Anywhere in the green area, you're gonna make money. And when IB rank goes up like this, because remember, like last week was like 7. When it goes up like this, when you sell something for 1 standard deviation out of the money, you can actually collect more premium for that as IB rank goes up. Okay, so start right here. I'm working on a series like this. I haven't really done it yet. I'm still working on it, but any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to ask. If you want to be updated, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications, and every time I upload, you'll see something. So if something happens later on today, I will definitely come back on, because I'm really watching this right now. Okay, it's at the bottom here, which means it's going to rise a little bit. I want it to, it's okay if it rises. I don't want it to rise here, but I kind of want it to continue to the downside. All right, let me get to work. If you have any questions, please feel free to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, but my YouTube channel is where I spend most of my time. All right, thanks. Signing off, Mark the Trader. You guys have a great day.